I'm Tracy Liu, External Affairs. Many people ask me, why am I still running? Well, my intention was always to run, but I never thought or expected it to be for this position. Until I got the opportunity to really work with the external director of my college. And that was then when I realized na kahit ang dami ng nagawa, ang dami pa rin kayang gawin. I'm running again this year because of that realization and because I realized that there's so much that this office can offer. The role of the Vice President for External Affairs under Janina Blazada is expanding because of all the different external opportunities that are coming inside our university. And this time, I know where to begin. Let's begin by realizing that through using our core competencies, we can solve social issues. Because I saw the potential of creating change through legacy. 100 student volunteers. And I want others to be inspired, just as it inspired me. Dahil naniniwala ako na kagaya nila, kaya nyo rin magsimula ng pagbabago. Let's begin by recognizing that there's more to our country and that we as students have that power to help groups who aren't given as much attention by our government. Dahil naniniwala ko, karapatan mong ipaglaban sa pamumulong marangal na tuwid mula sa ating gobyerno. Let's begin by acknowledging that more than involvement, we are responsible for our everyday actions and how they affect society. Dahil naniniwala ko, kaya natin simulan. Kasaliano. Finally, let's begin by voting derecho. Because each of the 76 candidates of Santugon believe in the power of our vision of everyday Lasallian heroism. And I know that we can do this together. I am standing here before you today, running for your Vice President for External Affairs, because I want you to be part of that change. Once again, DLSU, I am Tracy Liu, your Vice President for External Affairs. Kaya't sa taon ng panahon, sa darating na university, student